pioneers, this is the seated hamstring curl. This machine is going to target the back of your legs or the hamstring muscles. So when you're doing it, it's important that the only joint moving is your knee, straightens and bends. It will need to fit your body for the machine, so that can take some trial and error. So a shorter person wants the mat pulled really far up. So you pull this handle and you can let it come back or push it forward. If that's still not enough, you can roll up a mat and place it here to give you a little more push forward. We want our knee to line up with this pivot point right here, and to adjust the weight, we have this pin setting. So this knob to adjust by larger intervals, and these 5-pound plates with these knobs to adjust by smaller intervals. After I've set the back, I'm going to sit down and I'll see that I'm a little too far. Pivot point's a little too far for me. And now I'm in a good place. My knee is right here in the line. I'm going to put my feet up onto this pad and you'll see that it's really close to my heel. I'd rather it be right about here above my sock line. So that's when I adjust this knob so that it curls in a little more. To adjust how high the starting position of this pad is, I'll pull on this knob and I can have it start lower or have it start higher. It's about what is most comfortable for your knees and your seating position. After I've set both of those, I can relax my legs on the pad and I can pull this knob to fasten my knees firmly in place. At this point, it's really important that you keep your back against the mat and your butt down on the mat. You can hold these handles if you'd like to. I like to also hold the bottom of the mat, sometimes the back. Inhale, exhale, and bring your heels toward your butt and then come back up with control. And that's the seated hamstring curl machine.